You are listening to Light Up Pichwa podcast, a weekly podcast on conscious living and parenting. Please visit my website, lightuppichwa.com, my YouTube channel, and my Facebook page. Let me know what you think of this episode or any other episode, and join me in these discussions on these topics. And I'm also planning to bring mental health issues and some guests on it. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Parent alienation is a serious issue, so let's join our hands together and make sure that our children do not go through this situation. What we need to do is educate ourselves and come out of the negative mindset. The research has shown us that this is child abuse, so please visit my show notes and see the links and educate yourselves so that you can help yourselves and others to stay away from this situation. Thank you. Thank you for watching this short clip on parent alienation. Please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, visit my website, and let me know. Leave a comment or two. Let me know what you think. Take care. Thank you. Remember to subscribe, lightuppichwa.com, and visit my social media pages, and I'll see you there with a comment or two. Take care.